Hi, Dave Snyder here. It is the 13th day of December 2015, and I want to show you something really important here. Now, I mean, this is important, and if you don't see, if you think it's just coincidence, that's on you. I mean, you can think it's coincidence if you want, but I'm gonna bring up this weather pattern from a long time ago. It's called Left Eye, and let me just point out that when I clicked on this, I had no idea what was going to come up. I don't remember it. You know, I titled it, but I don't remember what it was going to be. Obviously, it's going to be a Mare Oriental, I thought. But this is what it is. This pattern, an old pattern from Wonder Maps, right? As soon as I seen that pattern, I had a good idea of what that was. And it wasn't Mare Oriental, actually. It was Moscovians. And this is a perfect fit. There's no getting around this. I'm going to show you something that's just going to blow your mind, actually. Blew my mind. I mean, I just did it a second ago, and I haven't even really looked at it really close. But I looked. It didn't even take me but a second to know what I was seeing. But anyways, here you go. That's the spot we always see in Missouri, that always has that weather spot right there, probably, right? And this is probably why we have all the tornadoes in this whole area, pretty much. Watch how it fits over this pattern, weather pattern. Look at the curve. And then look how it curves in, like this. It's got like that black widow mark. You know, it's kind of, it looks just like this. It curves in, has this like this, and then like this, or whatever that mark is. See what I'm saying? That is that right there. And you can see the weather showing this other area here, right? Okay, so this is aligned pretty close to being right on over North America, but it's not perfectly over North America. But this fits perfectly. This is that's a reversed image, a flipped over image of the Moscovians, and this is on the back side of the moon. The back side of the moon. We cannot see this. But this is the Eye of Horus, as I've shown before. You can look it up on my channel, the Eye of Horus video, and I show you that this pattern over here in the North Pacific as the Eye of Horus, a perfect pattern of Eye of Horus. So they got that from the moon by seeing this spot on the moon, I do believe. Evidence shows. Now let me show you what I just did a second ago. Let me show you, turn this off. Again, this picture. Higher and lower, I think. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to turn this down. And we'll look at this over Texas with the borders on. See Texas here? Now, if you know the geology of Texas, you probably already can see what's going to happen here when I do that. When I put over this topo map of Texas, because I could see in this picture of this lunar surface that there's this round spot right in the center of Texas. Right? Well, I brought up the topo map, and this is what happened when I did that. I aligned. You can see I put it right in the borders as close as I could. Right? It's in the borders. This is a topo map of Texas. And take a look. Look at that edge of that round part in the middle, and look at the rest. Look at that. It's perfect. It's absolutely perfect. Absolutely. So, you know, you can think of whatever you want of that, but that is pretty incredible evidence, and you can go through here and do whatever you want. This crater is in that weather. That crater was in the weather that I just showed you. That it was in there. So I mean, it's that weather pattern is from this spot on the moon. I mean, it leaves its print on the Earth, which we see in our weather. Basically, that's what I'm trying to tell you. And for that to just line up like that, I knew it would fit. I just knew it. You just know those things after a while, you know. And not only does it fit, it fits beautifully. This whole thing is right there. This whole shape. This is right off Google Images. You know, I typed in Topo, Texas. And there you go. Fit right in there. I didn't adjust anything. All I did was put this in the borders, and then I looked at it. That's it. I didn't move this picture. Didn't move this. This is, you can see I could probably go a little higher on the borders there, but it doesn't make any difference. It would just make it fit better. So have a good day. Rain like hell here today in California, boy. It sure did rain this morning. It was raining hard. But anyways, there you go. Moscovians, very important. More, I mean, I never realized just how much, but there you go. Showing itself in the weather. Absolutely perfect. Again, one more time. Look at the top edge and the curve, and then the bottom. It's the same thing, all the way down to here, where it curves around down to here, and that is Texas. Interesting, huh? All right. So have a good day.